Last week, we talked about the squeeze die casting, and we received many questions about squeeze die casting. Here, I listed top 10 to share with you, and I answered them. Hope it is helpful for you. What is the relationship between squeeze casting and aluminum die casting? Are they the same? Squeeze casting and aluminum die casting are related, but they are not the same. Squeeze casting is a specific process, while aluminum die casting uses aluminum alloy as the material. Squeeze casting can use aluminum, but it also works with other metals like magnesium and copper. Why choose squeeze casting over traditional high-pressure die casting? What makes it stand out? Squeeze casting creates denser, stronger parts with fewer air porosity, ideal for medical device housing and connectors to ensure long-term reliability. In telecommunication, it's also perfect for producing better sealed housing, enhanced stability. High-pressure die casting is cheaper and suits large-scale productions, depending on your needs. What makes the quality of squeeze casting better than regular die casting? Squeeze cast parts are denser with fewer defects like porosity. This makes them stronger and gives them a better surface finish for plating and painting. Regular die casting parts might not perform as well in demanding applications. Yes, squeeze casting, just another name for liquid die forging. How are they different? Squeeze casting and liquid die forging are similar but not identical. Liquid die forging applies pressure as the metal starts to solidify. Squeeze casting focuses more on shaping the metal directly in the mold. Which materials works best for squeeze casting? Can it handle aluminum or even steel? Squeeze casting works best for low melting, easy flowing materials like aluminum and magnesium alloy. Steel isn't ideal due to its high melting point and poor flowability. Plus, the cost would be too high. Does squeeze casting have porosity issues? How can they be controlled? When done properly, porosity in squeeze casting can be minimized. We achieve this by optimized mold design and control metal flow to ensure dense parts. What's the difference between cold forging and hot forging? Where does squeeze casting fit in? Squeeze casting is neither cold forging nor hot forging. It's a unique casting process that uses melted metal to form parts. Unlike cold and hot forging, squeeze casting works with liquid or semi-solid metal, applying high pressure to ensure density and strength in the final components. How does squeeze casting contribute to cost-effective mass production for humanoid robots? Squeeze casting achieves both lightweight and high strength, making it perfect for mass production robot joints and frames with excellent consistency. What industry can benefit most from squeeze castings? Are there any standout applications? Squeeze casting is widely used in medical devices like housing and structure parts for high strength and precision, and in the telecommunication for sealed, stable housing. It's also crucial for lightweight joints and frames in humanoid robots. How does Sunrise ensure consistency and precision in squeeze casting parts for critical industries like robotics? Well, we ensure precision and consistency through the whole processes, starting from the tooling design, mold manufacturing, die casting process control, and the strict quality control. With our experienced team, we simulate the mold flow many times before the actual tooling making. In this way, we avoid the possible mistake during the productions, and we also have the high standard measuring equipment ensure the parts is good. That's all for my sharing. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment and let's talk it over. Curious if squeeze casting is right for your project? Contact Sunrise Metal now for a free evaluation.